Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can continue recording draft video on TikTok. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok and let's create a video. So allow all the access. Let me select video format. So then you simply need to click on that cross and here you simply need to click on save drafts. So let me show you how I can get that video and start recording. So you simply need to click on draft video, click on that, and here you can see the back option, click on that, and here you can see option to continue recording, click on that option, and now you can record video from here. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.